Thinking of starting a poultry farm in 2025 but worried about the cost? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to launch a successful poultry farming business with low investment. Let's dive in. Poultry farming is one of the most profitable agribusinesses today. With rising demand for eggs and meat, even a small-scale operation can generate steady income. Plus, it's low risk and scalable. Start by choosing between broiler and layer chickens. Broilers are raised for meat and mature in 6-8 weeks. Layers, on the other hand, produce eggs and have a longer cycle. For quick returns, broilers are your best bet. To keep costs low, build a basic poultry shed using local materials. Ensure good ventilation, easy access to water, and proper drainage. You can start with as few as 50 to 100 birds. A 10 by 12 feet space is enough for 100 broilers. Feed is the biggest expense. Buy in bulk or mix your own feed with maize, soy, and vitamins. Always provide clean water and follow a basic vaccination schedule to prevent disease. Here's a rough estimate for 100 broilers in 2025. Birds, $70. Feed, $120. Housing, $100. Miscellaneous, meds, waterers, electricity, $60. Total, around $350. With proper care, you can expect to make $500, $700 in just 6 weeks. Start by selling to local markets, restaurants, or neighbors. Create a WhatsApp group or Facebook page to build a customer base. Fresh farm-raised chicken always has high demand. Poultry farming doesn't require huge investment to be profitable. With smart planning, you can start small and grow fast. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more farming tips.